Cybersecurity threats are everywhere and data security is non-negotiable. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to use OpenSSL to encrypt your files and also how to hash your files to ensure data confidentiality and integrity. So whether you're a cybersecurity enthusiast or you just want to protect your files, this video will take you through a step-by-step guide on how you can do that. So let's get started. So in your Kali Linux, you open up your terminal. Let me zoom in a little. So the first thing we do is, because we are making use of OpenSSL, we first need to download it. So to download, you use the command sudo apt install OpenSSL. So because I already have it installed, it says it's already the newest. So then the next thing, you check the algorithms under OpenSSL. So to do that, use the command OpenSSL space-h. So this is going to show you all the encryption algorithms that you can make use of under OpenSSL. But for this video, we'll be making use of DES3. So let me clear this first. So the first thing I do is, let me create the file I want to use, I want to encrypt. So txt. So let me see what. So now let us try to encrypt our file. So make use of the command OpenSSL space enc space -e space -des3 space -salt space -in. The name of the file I want to encrypt, new file.txt space -out, or want to save our file as, let's say, enc file.txt space -beta 1000. So before I put in my password, let me just explain this command. So enc means we want to make use of an encryption algorithm from OpenSSL. -e means to encrypt, that is encrypt. DES3 is the encryption algorithm that we decided to use. Then salt3, this just helps to add random strings to your encryption to make it hard for cyber criminals to make use of dictionary attacks on it. Then in is the name of the file that you want to encrypt. Out is what you want the file to save as after you've encrypted it. Then iter, which means iteration. We can make use of any number. You can decide to use any number, but in my case, I made use of 1000. So iteration is just to also add to the security to make it difficult for cyber criminals to brute force your encryption. So let me add my password. Let me verify the password. So now if we check our file, so let me list this. You see the file enc has been created. So if I check what is inside this file now, you notice that it has been encrypted. So this is how you encrypt it, OpenSSL. So now for you to decrypt this file, so what you just do is the same command, but what you do is, instead of using encrypt, you change it to what? To decrypt. Then you change your file, your in file, to the file that you want to decrypt, which is enc file.txt. Then we change it to what we want to save it as after we decrypt it. So we use, let's say, dec file. So enter, put in my password. So let me list now. So as you can see, we've created a file dec. So let me show what is inside this file. Now you can see that we have decrypted, we have been able to decrypt So this is how you encrypt and decrypt with OpenSSL. So now to talk about hashing, let me clear this. So what hashing does is that hashing helps you to ensure the integrity of a file. So let me show you some of the algorithms we have under hashing. So under hashing, these are the algorithms we have. We have MD5, we have SHA-1, we have SHA-256, and we have GRC32. So the one we are going to make use of now is SHA-256. So let's try to hash the file that I created. So let me list the file. The first file I created was this new file.txt. So if I try to hash the file, to hash a file, I'll say SHA-256 some the name of the file. So this is the hashing string that is generated for me. So this is the string it's generated for us. So now the thing is, if I send this particular file, this particular new file to someone, and it gets to the person, if the person should also try to generate hash value for it, the person must get this exact SHA-256 value that I'm getting. If the person doesn't get this exact value, it's to show that the file has been tampered with. So let me show you an example. So for instance, now let us try to edit the file that we created the hash for. So now let's say I just remove space from inside. So let me save this file now. So let me generate, let's see the file first. Can you see that I've been able to remove this space? So now let me generate hash value for this. So we say SHA-256 some and the name of the file. Now if you take a closer look at these strings, you notice that they are different. It's to show you that the files have been tampered with. So if I generate hash value, if you generate hash value for a file that you created, after sending the file to the person, you can send the hash value that you generated to the person. So when it gets to the person should also be able to generate hash value. Once the person generates hash value and it is different from the hash value you send to the person, it shows that the file has been tampered with. So let me try and edit it again. If I edit it again, so let me add the space back. So let me try to generate hash for it again. SHA-256 some name of the file. So you can see that by the time I change it back to the way it was before, this string and this string are the same thing. So all characters already have a permanent hash string already. So like a letter A has its own permanent hash string. So if you change anything inside any file and you generate hash for that same file, it would have tampered with the hash value. So this is how to encrypt your files using OpenSSL, and this is also how you can hash your files. So I hope this video was helpful. So don't forget to like, share, and follow for more. Thank you.